Welcome to Skydrone's flying field on this lovely sunny Tuesday. And today, Skydrones have completed a training course for another client, and here you can see one of their Skylane 350s. So, do you want to tell us a little bit about yourself and why do you need to have Skylane in your fleet?
The two skylane drones for oil and gas in African continent. We work as an oil and gas production, exploration. So we are using drone for our exploration part as well as surveillance and as well as mapping. We're going to use this drone for multiple aspects. And thank you Sky Drones for your hands-on training. It was incredibly wonderful. Really, the training session, the introduction and the training, hands-on training was really the technical aspects of the drone technology. It's been wonderful from your side. I really thank you each and every Skydrone members for your wonderful support and training. Thank you everyone.
Thank you very much.